Welcome to Leyland Industrial Process Room, and in this place we have our control panel. In this control panel, if you look up, you will see the Siemens S7312 2DP, which we use for our control. It is controlled, we programmed it from the semantic manager. And at the other end here, we have our HMI. This is our HMI where we do the main control. Now, what we are trying to do at this point in time is we want to do a control of the equipment, the devices we have on the process line. Now, if you look here, we have the pump, we have a solenoid valve, we have a flow meter, we have a tank. Now, from this end, I can switch on any of the devices that we have on the process line. I'm going to turn on the pump, and the pump is active, which you can hear from the sound. Now, I can switch it off also from here. Now, from the solutions we have been able to give companies in the industrial world, we now felt and we felt the urge of going into the building management system. Now, we understand that building management system actually comprises of three main software, which is the Xworks, we have the Desigo CC, and also WinCC. Now, Xworks is actually used to program the PX hardware, which is similar to using a semantic manager to program the S7 PLC, S7 300, 400, and the likes. Now, in this place, we have been able to crack Desigo, WinCC, and also be able to crack the semantic manager, which we believe that when we see the Xworks, we will be able to also incorporate it and be able to crack it as well. Now, over there at the other hand, when we get to the other lab, we'll show you what we have been able to do so far in the building management system. Thank you.
You're welcome to Leyland Technical Academy, and here I want to take you on the overview of our Leyland BMS station. This is the first of its kind in this academy, because when our MD came back from Switzerland, he told us what the BMS looked like, and we feel like, okay, we can actually use our WinCC, which we have been doing fantastic job with, starting from industrial automation down to home automation, that we can use it to do a beautiful building management system. And we decided to come up with this little presentation in less than 24 hours. Now, here is the start. I click on the home, it takes me and show me the building. Now, in this building, from this area, I can be able to do three things. I can be able to monitor the building, control what is in the building, at the same time administer everything, starting from the security system and other appliances I can control, even via a remote device, like a touch panel device from any room. Now, I can go to sectional view. The sectional view will allow me to see inside of my building. You can see this is a sitting room, this is a dining room, this is a kitchen, this is bedroom, this is a toilet, and this is another bedroom, and here is our generator house. Now, from here, it shows me the inside of this building. Now, when I go to the plan view, on the plan view, it shows me the architectural plan design of the building, so as for me to look at the house from the top and see what I can see. Now, I'm going to go back to the sectional view. From this sectional view, at the same time from the front view, I should be able to enter any part of the building. For instance, I want to go into the kitchen. All I need to do, I'll click on the kitchen here. It shows me the inside of the kitchen. Now, this is the kitchen. I can as well go back to the section. From the section again, I can also enter any part of the building. For instance, let's come to this room. I click. Now, if I want to control the appliances in this room, like you can see now, we have a light in the room. We have lamps there. All I need to do, I'll come to my switch. I click on the switch. It's off the light. I want to on the light in the bathroom. I click on the toilet light. It comes up. Click on the room light. It comes up. Now, let's get back to the section again. We should go to another room. Now, we are coming to this room again. In this room here, we'll be able to control 4 devices. We'll be able to control the room light, the toilet light, the AC fan, and the AC fan. Now, I'm clicking on the room light to on it and off it. Toilet light, I click on it, the toilet light came on. The same thing as the AC and this. I'm going back to the section again to take you to another room. Now, this is another room again, via which I can click on the light, on it and off it. I can take you to the section again to bring you to the sitting room where we have so many electrical appliances. Now, this is our sitting room. In the sitting room, I'll on the light. Now, I have a TV in this room. I have an AC I have a table lamp, and I have a TV. Now let me start with one. Let's say I want to on the TV in my room. All I have to do is what? Click on the TV, and the TV comes up. You can see, please, if I want to off it, I off it here. The same thing with the table lamp here. All I have to do is what? Click it, I off it. The same thing with my AC. If I want to on it, you can see the AC here. So let me take you to the kitchen and show you how we operate in the kitchen. Now here is my kitchen. In my kitchen, I have a fridge, I have a cooker, and I have a socket, and I have the light in the kitchen. So if I want to on the light in my kitchen, I click on the light, it goes on, and I on it. The same thing with the fridge. You can see the indicator for fridge. I'm on it and offing it. So once I do that, it goes on. The same thing with my cooker. See the indicator for the cooker, I do the same thing. So let's go back to the section view. Let me take you to the section. Now again, there is 2 more apartments to get to. The small dining room, we have it here where we have just 2 appliances. I'm going to just use the light. I'll on the light and I off it. Go back to the section. I come to the generator house. Now I can even start the generator via these devices. I click on it, it goes on, and I off it. Now this does not just end here. As you see it simulated on the board, so it will be happening live on the building equipment, just as we demonstrate to you in the process lab how we use HMI to start our industrial motor, which you heard the sound. The same thing with this, we will use it to do the same thing for a live building. Thank you very much.